Come off. He's free. There we go. Nice little pickerel came to play. Nice little pickerel. Let this guy go. First fish landed on the 3 bites I've had. Chain pickerel. Fish of the day today. Had a couple bites before that, but I had one on for a couple seconds, but then I didn't stick him. But he hasn't bited again. I'm hoping to waste some time and then go back down there and fish it again, because I had a fish that jumped over there and then a fish that I had on. I think I had another bite over there. So waiting for that area to calm down, then I'll go back over there and try it out again, see if he's willing to bite. But I still have a little bit more to fish to the right of me, then I'll fish the bank I just fished again. That was a pretty long pickerel, I'd say about like 20-21 inches, and it was wrapped around a tree at first. I didn't know what it was, so I had to kind of go in the water, pick up the tree, and like take my line around it. But it's a pickerel, I'm happy. Better than none, but we'll see if we can get any more. There's one. Oh, is that a crappie? I just caught a crappie. Is that a crappie? I just caught a crappie. No way. I just caught a crappie. Hey guys, so I just caught a crappie on a Senko, which is a little odd. I never knew they were in here, but supposedly were. This ain't even the main lake, this is the channel. And that was a surprise catch. This is the second fish of the day. Yeah, it's just super weird for some reason. I've never caught a crappie than I just have now. Let's get the release on this guy. Thanks for everything, bud. First ever crappie is a nice one. One. Shadow from me, may not be able to see them. Still kicking it. Here he goes. Pickerel? Yep. Third fish of the day. 2 pickerel now. There he goes. Is that another fish? I'm so confused. Has to be. Yep. Oh, bass. First bass of the day. Hey, be tiny guy. Yeah, that one. He hit that hard. Oh, another bass just jumped right there. Or could have been something else on the bass. Damn, something's jumping right there. This guy's been caught before. You can see by his lip right there. This guy is warm. Very warm. He came up and absolutely destroyed that. Alright, second bass of the day. And fifth fish of the day. 1 crappie, 2 pickerel, 2 bass. This is probably the biggest bass of today. He's been caught before. His lip's a little messed up right there as a whole. He came up and absolutely demolished that. And then, right as I caught this one, I heard 2 jumps right beside me. So I'll get this guy back in water quick, and then cast over there. Hopefully, I'll get him. Out for this guy. Oh, no way. No. Oh. I saw this guy follow it in. Then I cast it back to him, and I guess he had it. It was a small pickerel. That was kind of sick. Pickerel right there. He broke me off. No. He broke me. Saw this one. Saw him eat it right there. Here's a pickerel. There he goes. What is this? What is this? Little bass, yeah. It's a good one for here. What a bucket now. Look at that nice one. Guys, third bass of the day, just making my trip back down there again with a smaller bait, and then looks like they're liking the smaller baits right now. So I'll start going down there on that bank and see how much we can get, but GoPro battery is 8%, so I don't know how much I can film with the GoPro, but once I catch a fish, I'll film with this, and then, yeah, let's get a release on this chunky one too. Fish weighed 2 pounds, and not 18 ounces, it's 2.18. It's a good one for the channel. But this water is very warm, so is the fish. What a football. There we go. I guess my guess was a little close. 2.53 pounder. Alright, so just got the biggest fish of the day, 2.52 pounder. Maybe the last fish. GoPro's out of battery now, but she has a nice gut on her. I caught this one with a jig. I was fishing this place with just swim bait, had nothing, and then the first cast of the jig I had this guy, and then I set the hook and nothing was there, and then I cast right back to the spot, and then he ate it. It's a little windy. That's why I'm down here though. Look at the girth on her.